Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This luxurious split level 5 bedrooms 6 bathroom gem located in the affluent community of Chancery Hall, which boasts a panoramic view of Kingston and St. Andrew, Elsha Hills and the harbor. The magnificent surrounding homes add significant value to this beauty. All bedrooms are secured and have balconies, which captures a commanding view of the city lights and lush landscape. The lower level boasts a picturesque foyer with ensuite bedrooms, a study, two formal living rooms, spacious dining, TV/family room, foyer, outdoor fountain slash planter and a bar. A breakfast room adjoins the kitchen, plus an upper level master suite, an attic with an awesome view of the city. Also, a two-car covered garage and additional parking, ample storage inside and out, a large water tank, a gazebo, pool, and entertainment cove. The property is abundantly fruited and beautifully landscaped. This impeccable home and 19,700 square feet awaits you. Other features of this home includes security system, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, jetted bathtub, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, jacuzzi/slash whirlpool, central location, easy access, family oriented, private setting, and paved road. The current price of this home is Jamaican 107 million or US $682,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.